Here's how to pick up your holds from the library lockers. Start by touching the screen and scan your library card or digital barcode using the library app below the screen. Click OK to view your holds ready for pickup, and click OK to confirm the holds to open your locker. Once the locker door opens, collect your holds and make sure to close the locker door. Press the red lockout button and select your receipt option. Email receipts will be sent to the email address on the card. Here's how to return your items to the library lockers. To start, touch the screen to begin and scan your library card or digital barcode using the library app. Select the return button and return the items into the returns bin, and when finished, close the door. Press the red lockout button and confirm with the green OK button. Please note that items returned to the library lockers may take up to 3 to 5 business days to be taken off your card.